Hey there, tech enthusiasts and Macbook users. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and product recommendations. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about. The new for Macbook Retina 13, A1706, A1708, A1989, A2159, A2289, A2251, A1932, A2179, A2337, A2338, A1466 laptop LCD screen display assembly. That's a mouthful, but trust me, this is a game changer for anyone in need of a reliable and high-quality screen replacement for their Macbook. So, why should you consider investing in this particular LCD display assembly? Well, first and foremost, it is compatible with a wide range of Macbook models, including the A1706, A1708, A1989, A2159, A2289, A2251, A1932, A2179, A2337, A2338, and A1466. That means no matter which Macbook Retina 13 model you have, this screen assembly has got you covered. In terms of quality, you can expect nothing but the best. This LCD screen display assembly boasts crisp and clear visuals, vibrant colors, and a seamless touch response. Whether you use your Macbook for work, creative projects, or entertainment, this display will enhance your overall user experience. But wait, there's more. Not only does this screen assembly deliver top-notch performance, but it is also easy to install. You don't have to be a tech expert to upgrade your Macbook's display. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions, and you'll be enjoying a brand new screen in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking: why should I trust this product? Well, let me tell you that customer satisfaction is our top priority. We stand by the quality and reliability of this LCD screen display assembly, and to prove it, we offer a satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you are not completely happy with your purchase, you can return it within 30 days for a full refund. But honestly, I doubt you'll need to take us up on that offer once you see the difference this screen assembly makes for your Macbook. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your Macbook Retina 13 with the top-of-the-line LCD screen display assembly today. Check the link in the description to order yours and take the first step towards a better visual experience on your beloved Macbook. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you think of this game-changing product. And as always, hit that like button and share this video with anyone who might benefit from a screen upgrade. Until next time, stay techy.